Okay, the issue I'm having is I like to move the trailer out of the overhang every once in a while. I use the garden tractor to do that. But there's a big difference in the height between the tongue on the trailer and the ball on the back of the tractor. What I have to do is I have to crank down the wheel, and then I have to put another jack underneath here to lower it further because the wheel doesn't bring it down far enough. And then when you're pulling the trailer, it's like that. So that doesn't work. Plus there's interference with the arms of the 3-point hitch. I leave those on in the spring times. I need attachments I use around the house. So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a hitch adapter. It goes between the arms of the 3-point hitch, and it has a ball on it so we can use it for our trailer. Let's go in the shop. I'm sure I have some metal that I'm able to use to put something like that together. It shouldn't be that hard to do. And get some welding done. Okay, so here's the plan. Piece of channel stock will have the pins, the hitch pins underneath. This flat plate will hold the whole thing together, kind of. I'll have a hitch hole for a garden tractor attachment, just a regular, like a lawnmower U-shape pulling attachment. And then on the front here, I have to cut this on that angle, and this will lead up to the top link of my 3-point. Yeah, I think that'll work. Give it a try. This is good. Okay, so here it is. All finished. We can put it on a tractor and see what it looks like. So here it is, attached to the back of the tractor. Just mocked up now, it's not locked in. The only drawback I see is that the one hitch for the gardening equipment is up a little bit higher than it would be on a tractor or a mower. That's it. Okay, let's work on cleaning up the hitch adapter. One word about this. It's an old trick I learned from my father. These were called washing machine motors back in the day. All you had to do is buy this spindle that goes on the end of the shaft. Just screw it right on and you have a motor. And in my case I have a wire wheel. 2 wire wheels, fine and coarse. 2 grinders, a big grinder for heavy metal and 1 for drills. It's all on the same table. I just rotate it and use whatever I need. I have some more of the motors underneath here in case I ever burn one up. Another trick to the motors, always write the direction on the top here so you know which way it's going to turn. When you turn this on and you put work into it, you don't want it to flip your work off the other way. You want it to pull down into your work. Another thing is never stand in line with this wire wheel on this plane here. These little wire pieces have a habit of flying out and they get embedded. I get them embedded in my shirt all the time. I wouldn't want to get them embedded in my eye, but then again, you have to wear your safety glasses for sure with this, like Norm would say. So let's give this a whirl. One of these days I'm going to get fancy with these, tie them all together and put switches on here. But for now, just plug them in. Get some of this rust off of here.
There we go. She's on.